Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I'm Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, today is the day where I do my backyard garden, greenhouse growing, outdoor gardening reveal, y'all. So it has been changed all the way around, okay? Y'all done saw bits and pieces, but here's the time. This is the time right now for me to show y'all how everything is looking and what I'm doing and what's the plans, if it's God's will, what's the plans to come. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, y'all, so we're starting up here on the top deck. As you can see, there's only 2 buckets up here, and these are my Maya lemon and my lemon variegated trees. Okay, yes. So I took them out of the greenhouses. Let me make sure I said that right. Yes. I took these out of the greenhouses because they wasn't doing good in there. So I just got them out here, you know, letting them do whatever it is they gotta do. I'm just gonna use this as a sit, relax, or whatnot. Opened up the umbrella and, you know, just let it chill. Right here, Oronde built this little box thing, y'all, because I had to go buy a surge protector for the power that's running. So I bought this one right here. Y'all saw in that vlog. If you following my vlogs, that's where you see most of the information and stuff. So I got that from Walmart for like $11.74, and it's got extension cord hooked to it, but we got it like this to try to keep it from getting wet when it rains. So it's like a little box. We're gonna end up drilling some holes in it to pull the extension cord through, like the cord itself, but we just ain't got to that yet. So on down here to the bottom deck, not much down here going on, just to keep the girls' aloe vera plants or whatever. This was a great thing. Kylie just wanted that stuff to stay there or whatnot. I'm probably gonna end up using these containers because these was my little brooders or whatnot, but we'll get there. All right, out here, let's start right here. So if you saw that video where I was changing, I was pulling stuff out of the grow bag that was over in the area over here. Well, we got 3 filled up. This is my lettuce. I transplanted it, so that's why it's looking all like this. Y'all know when you transplant stuff that was kind of established, that's how it look. These are empty right now, but the plan is, because I got more 100-gallon grow bags, is to have this row of 3, this row of 3, this row of 3, and then this row of 3 of grow bags. Okay, as y'all can see over here, it's empty, right? I got my quails right there. That's the cat house. Food, that's the tin can with their food in. And I got this area. So this is what we're gonna be doing a roof on. Gotta do a roof on this. And I'm thinking about getting chickens. Only about 10 to 15. I am not doing 40 plus chickens again. No, because I like the quails. But I'm thinking about, if I get chickens, it's only gonna be the amount that can fit in one of these. Okay, in one of these. So we got to put a roof on it or whatnot, and that's just to have it for like meat, of meat, not really meat, yeah, meat, if meat is needed or whatever. That's just to have another meat source, but my main source is going to be quails. Okay, so that's why we moved this pen from there over here. Okay, it may be for chickens or it may just be for the quails, depending on how many quails I have to hatch, which we're in incubating mode right now. All right, so come on around. That's just one of my little pop-up greenhouses things right there, and some boxes just got to get burned and some buckets that needs to be filled. So now we on this side, and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go this little fire pit. Y'all done seen us burning for that helps with mosquitoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this area over here. So my apple tree, my peach tree, my olive tree, my fig tree, my tangerine tree, my, what is this, my plum tree, and all the way around is my pear tree right here on the side of this greenhouse. All right, and on the side, on this side of the greenhouse, is my pomegranate tree. This is where the work is being done. This is my Vivor greenhouse, 15 by 7 by 7. I am using this greenhouse to start seeds. All the seeds for everything. I have one wonder up. It has 8 wonders, 4 on each side. I have one wonder up. In this greenhouse, I have the heater. I took the heater out of the other greenhouse and I got it in this one. Even though today is 65 degrees, it is saying it's over 80 degrees in here. But for me, that's fine. So this is where I'm doing all my work. I got some stuff I already started. I got to start more stuff. I got my trays and stuff that's got to be started. Everything I pretty much need in here. Labels and stuff. I got my fan, my heater slash fan. Probably gonna open another window in here for more ventilation since it's an okay day today. But yeah, this greenhouse is where I come. I got to get more lights, but it'll be lights all the way around. And this is where the black extension cord is running to. This one right here. So no hose pipe going here. I water everything by hand or whatnot. Got my little hydrangea. Y'all know I like to save plants, so I put it in here because this was a hydrangea plant that I had saved. And right when you come out the door is my strawberry area. Y'all saw when I pulled some of the strawberries out of here to plant. I told y'all that's my pomegranate. But this is my strawberry area, okay? I just love how this look. Like I'm walking through a jungle. Okay. So next we're gonna go, where we're gonna go? This greenhouse. So this is the quick tent, the 25 by 10 by 6.6 greenhouse. Alright. And this is my cold weather greenhouse. I have Swiss charts in here. I have cabbages in here. Broccoli in here. Chinese cabbage. I said cabbages, but different type of cabbage. My collard greens. Everything in here. I got some celery in here. Look at my celery. Gonna be time to harvest some. Everything in here. Got a lot of empty buckets in here that needs to put stuff in. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I could get 22 buckets per row in here. That's a lot of buckets. I'm not worried about them being close together. I know how to cut and make sure I keep everything trimmed, this, that, and the other. I'm not worried about that. A lot of people worry about that and you lose space. Not worried about that. I grow close together. I grow vertically. It just depends. Okay. So right now, and this greenhouse is not heated. Okay. This is my cold weather, but I want to kind of protect them from the frost a little bit, in case we get that frost that's like, you know, consistently. Okay. And it's easier for me to water. Everything is right here. It's saying right here that it's 65.8 degrees in here. The humidity is off. Okay, it should be between, I think it's 50 and 70 or 60 and 70, but it's saying wet. Probably because I just watered. I just watered in here, okay? So I have one window up, but this one has 5 windows on each side, so a total of 10 windows. And you can roll up the back if you want to. I don't use the back door. So yeah. Now over here is where this pop-up greenhouse right here that I have, that green one, when it starts frosting or whatever, I'll set it over these. These are my potatoes. I set it over these, okay? I have 2 bins here that's got potatoes in. I'm just leaving them. I'll find something to put in there. But yeah. So this greenhouse, so that greenhouse and that greenhouse was sponsored. I'm so thankful. So I didn't have to pay anything. It was a sponsorship for me to review those two. This the one that Oronde had ended up getting. The one that started it all, seemed like. This is the quick tent 20 by 10. Okay, that's the 25 by 10 by 6.6. This is the 20 by 10 by 6.6. Okay, so in here is pretty much like for my warmer stuff. Now it's saying the humidity in here is wet, but it's at 71, but it's saying 66.4. But I did just water in here too. Okay, so I have some strawberry plants in here, some tomato plants. I have some beans, like I said, I just watered, that I started from seed. As y'all can see, some of them is growing. Don't have too much beans. I put seeds in here, but none of these came up, and I did them on the same day. They haven't come up yet, so I don't know what that's about. This one do have electricity in this one. You can see I just turned my light on. It's warmer in here. Requires a little bit more light for the stuff I got. I got some pepper plants back there, my habanero peppers and stuff like that I end up taking out of the small greenhouses. I got a lot of open space. A lot of this stuff do not have anything in it, so I do gotta drop a lot of seeds. This one is where I used to have the heater at. I took it out because it actually be warm on these days that it's warm. It actually be warm in here without the heater, but I really want it in my seed starting area, because I can start the seeds there and bring them over here, okay, once they get strong enough. So that's why I'm not worried about having it. I'm worried about having the greenhouse heated enough where my seeds can germinate. Okay, so I have like my blueberry plants and stuff in here, empty buckets, my banana plant in here, got some more celery in here, and I'm gonna leave a light on in here because this greenhouse right here don't get the amount of sun that this other one and the other two get. So I had the light off, but I decided to go ahead and just cut the light on in here. And like I say, it has power in this one, and if I needed power to that one, all I gotta do is run a extension cord from here to over there right next door and that'll be fine. So yeah, so this is what's going on in this one. Over here, these two greenhouses. Okay, so this one I ended up turning today into a utility greenhouse, where I'm gonna use a lot of my stuff over here that I use, my pruners and all this stuff, my sprinklers, everything, my tiller, everything. Nobody goes in here unless I tell them to go in here, because I'm tired of my stuff coming up missing or broke. So I said I will use this as a utility one, and this one right here I'll be used for whatever I gotta use it for. That's my fig tree that's got to come out. I'm actually gonna get it out and put it in here. It may end up being an area where I dry stuff out. Who knows? I don't know, but it's here if I need it, you know, for whatever I need it for. And then this is just the back. Don't mind it. That's like where we just stash stuff that maybe gonna go out for trash or whatnot. But yeah, so everything is all together. Still got work to do. Now y'all got the concept of what I've been doing, what I've been working on, how I'm getting everything, and I'm so happy to have this, because y'all know I'm starting my garden business. So selling produce, selling seedlings, my quail eggs, everything like that. Let me take y'all over here, because this is part of the homestead. Like I say, lockdown day today for the quails, so we probably gonna start having, today is 15, so day 15 of them incubating, so we'll probably have quail may start hatching as early as tomorrow or tonight, never know. So but I'm doing a video on that as we speak. Well, kind of as we speak. I got eggs to pick up, so they are laying like crazy. The ones I have in here, they gonna have some buddies. They gonna have some, look at that, eggs all over there. I gotta come in here and get these eggs. I just picked up eggs yesterday, but I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. So they are in here chilling. They're in here chilling. That's meat, y'all. At any time they'll always be tender, unlike the chicken. Okay, but I haven't decided. Y'all know how I do. I always come back with a bigger plan. Sometimes I rush and, you know, get things and this, that, and the other. Then I let it go and I come back with a bigger plan. Like I have these quails down packed now after trial and error. And that's why I say if I get chickens, it's going to be between 10 and 15. No more than that. Okay. Last time, for what? The last year and a half, I had, what? 40 some chickens at one time. No. So I haven't decided. My chicken man reached out to me, said they got all sizes. I gotta make sure I have the home situated because I don't want to stress myself, okay? I literally do not want to stress myself. All right, y'all, so there you have it, the official garden tour for fall gardening, winter gardening, year-round gardening, okay, y'all? So now you have how everything is set up so far. So yeah, so I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all motivational. I hope it gives y'all some tips. Grow year-round, create your backyard homestead, okay? No matter how big a space you got, how small a space you got, you can do it, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's Jehovah's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time, happy gardening, homesteading, all that good jazz, okay? I'll see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Bye.